I want you to listen to this. I really want to see you in office. That sounds so creepy. Yeah, that sounds so creepy. I want to see you in office. Why? Because I feel that at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration, we have the ability to change your life for the better. Not just saying that because I work here. It's because I truly believe in everything that we do with my whole heart. The reason being is that our results are consistently natural and will change your life to some degree. Not only will you look better, you're gonna feel better. And that's really the biggest thing. You're not gonna be worried about, am I wearing a hat right now? What are people looking at when they see me? You're gonna basically be present, and in whatever environment you're in, you're gonna be fully there. You're not gonna be thinking about all of these other things. When you walk in a room, you're gonna be like, hey, they're looking at me because I look good, not because I'm balding. So I think that really, when that's pulled out of the equation, that self-conscious awareness of your balding, that's basically resolved with hair transplant. You basically have the freedom to be yourself in every aspect of your life. And I think that's a big, big deal, because think about if you didn't have insecurity in all of these different situations that you don't even realize exists. That's a game changer. We're working with you every step of the way to get you the best, most reliable results. And it's not just a job for us, it's actually our life, like what we do, what gets us up in the morning. I don't want patients to ever worry that that's something that they need to think about. That's really our job 100% of the way. Your job is to just basically come and see us, ask as many questions as you can, research as much as you need to feel comfortable with your decision, and basically we're gonna guide you through the rest of the way. So trust us, you won't regret it.